adjusting this right here, and we need to rotate you this way. That feels okay, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
This probably feels like garbage.
It's fine.
It's fine also.
Yeah.
Shows how little I know.
And also maybe guarding.
Once we start palpating an extension like this, something that makes you withdraw.
Always fast, like right when it was.
This hurts?
No, but like I felt my back spaz when I came back this far. I knew from the way he was palpating, I shouldn't have let him. But I was like, donated my body to science.
Yeah, okay, come back up. Check the sacrum and I'll find right there. A lot of times, even if extension tolerance is the goal at a joint, first you have to adjust inflection just to be able to tolerate going into extension. You don't want to force it in an acute situation. It's a good way to get it. This feels okay?
Yeah. That's disease concern.
Remember Tim from Jurassic Park? That was the kid character who wanted to ride around with Dr. Grant.
Oh yeah.
And they're like, no, Tim, no, Tim.
Works pretty well.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Is there like ridiculous amounts of pain if I was to lean here, or that's okay?
Oh, that's fine.
Good. Let it all go. Let it go. Good. That was nice.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Come on up. You better got that on camera.
Yeah.
That's about as good a set as I could hope for.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna sit down for 5 minutes and then get back up.
And then walk around a little bit. Walk, walk, walk. That thing's set right straight up to this point. Walk it off, baby. Walk it off. Patented, trademark. That's good.
Yeah.
I mean, dude, literally.
Yeah, it's like, it's set up, like when I go back like this, the pain is kind of like centered, kind of where you said, instead of it going like up to my mid back. So
You know how I talk about quality of sound? That sound? That right there, that's the way L5 is set from a side posture is supposed to feel. So if you felt it, that's the way it's supposed to feel, bro. Like even if you were in pain in the next, day or two, whatever, like it should be much substantial. It should be substantially less. Even if you have something residual and you need to come back for another adjustment. Oh yeah, up here. And your homework is going to be glute bridges.
I would say yeah. Like usually getting up like that was painful. Okay. So just upon getting up, I'm feeling better. So
Okay.